Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? We are studying exercise 1.6. These linear equations can be solved by many methods like by equating coefficients, by substitution method, graphically these equations can be solved, and by cross multiplication. But here we have to solve it by Cramer's rule and matrix inversion method. First of all, first question I solve by Cramer's rule. Question number 2. Question number 2. The length of a rectangle is 4 times its width. Let the length of the rectangle is equal to x and width of that rectangle is y according to given condition. ATGC means according to given condition. They said length of rectangle is 4 times its width. So x is equal to 4y, where y denotes width while x represents length. So x minus 4y is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Also they have given perimeter of the rectangle is 150 centimeter. Perimeter, outer boundary, circumference is also known as perimeter of a closed figure. This is x, x, y, y. So this perimeter is 150. So 2 into length plus width is equal to perimeter of a rectangle. 2 into length is x, width y is equal to 150. They have given 150 centimeter. So x plus y 150 by 2, x plus y is equal to 75. Number 2 equations. So in matrix form, according to Cramer's rule, A matrix is equal to the coefficients of first equation 1 minus 4, while the coefficients of second equation 1 1. This is matrix A, comma Ax. According to this rule, Cramer's rule, this column will be replaced by 0 and 75. 1 1 0 75. The other second column of matrix A will remain same, minus 4 1. Similarly, AY is equal to, now at this time first column will remain same while the elements or entries or identities of the second column will be replaced by 0 75. 0 75. This is AY according to this rule. Now first of all we have to go to our destination. X is equal to Ax determinant over A determinant. So we have to solve first of all Ax and A. A determinant is equal to A determinant 1 1 minus 4 1. The product of left diagonal minus product of right diagonal is equal to the determinant. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Similarly, Ax determinant mean the determinant of this matrix 0 75 minus 4 1, that is equal to product of left diagonal minus product of right diagonal. 0 plus 300 is equal to 300. Similarly, AY determinant is equal to 11075. Product of left diagonal minus product of right diagonal, 75. After finding these three determinants in Cramer's rule, we apply the formula x is equal to ax determinant over a determinant. Ax determinant, its value is 300 over a determinant 5. So that is equal to 60. And y is equal to, according to Cramer's rule, ay determinant over a determinant. Ay determinant, that is 75, while a determinant is 5, 15. Therefore, length of the rectangle, we have assumed the value of length as x, and here x is equal to 60, so that is equal to 60 centimeter, as the units are given in centimeters, and the width is equal to 15 centimeter. So this is question number 2. Now we solve question number 4, but we solve it by matrix inversion method. Question number 4. The third angle of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is that triangle in which two sides are equal. Is 16 degree less than the sum of the two equal angles. Let's say this is an isosceles triangle in which these two sides are equal. So their angles will also be equal according to theorem. Okay, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. And third angle is y. Let each equal angle of an isosceles is equal to x. Other angle or third angle. Third angle or other angle. Third angle is equal to y. According to given condition, the third angle of an isosceles triangle is 16 less, so third angle is smaller from sum of the two equal angles. Sum of the two equal angles, 2x minus y is equal to 16. This is equation number 1, and we know that the sum of three interior angles of a triangle is always equal to 180. So x plus y is equal to 180, mean ke 2x plus y is equal to 180. Second equation. Now we are solving by matrix inversion method. So taking matrix form 2 minus 1 2 1, x y is equal to 16 180. Ax is equal to b. That implies x is equal to A inverse B, where A is equal to, this matrix is named as A, and x is equal to xy, B is equal to 16 180. Now, by matrix inversion method, we have to find only A inverse, and A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over A determinant. First of all, we have to find A determinant, which is, this is matrix A, 2 minus 1, 2 1. Product of left diagonal minus product of right diagonal. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 8 determinant. And adjoint of A is equal to, change their positions by exchanging the positions of the left diagonal entries 1, 2, and by changing the sign of the right diagonal entries 1 minus 2, we will get adjoint of A. Now A inverse is equal to adjoint A over A determinant. This is adjoint over A determinant. We can write here 1 by 4 instead of by 4. Now x is equal to A inverse B, which is equal to A inverse 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, and B. A inverse, this whole is A inverse, and B. B matrix is 16, 180. 16, 180. This x is equal to xy. We can write in place of x as xy because we assume that x matrix is equal to xy. 1 by 4 will remain same as it is, while this row and this column, according to the rules of matrix multiplication, 1 into 16, 16, plus 1 into 180, 180. Minus 2 into 16, minus 32, plus 2 into 180, 360. So 1 by 4, 180 plus 16, 196, 360 minus 32, 328. 328. Now xy is equal to 196 multiplied 1 by 4, 328 multiplied by 1 by 4, that is equal to 4 4s are 16, 3 carry 9, and 4 8s are, and 4 2s are. That implies x is equal to, these are two equal matrices, and two matrices are said to be equal if their order is same and their corresponding entries are same. So these are two equal matrices are as given, x is equal to 49 and y is equal to 82. Now our question was each equal angle of an isosceles, that is x. So x is 49. Therefore required angles of the triangle are, these angles are equal, so 49 degree, 49 degree and 82 degree. We can verify our answer by adding these three angles. The answer should be 180, as the sum of three interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. So we have solved this question by matrix inversion method. First of all, by making their equation according to the statement of mathematics or question, we take matrix form. Let this is A, this is X, this is B. So AX is equal to B and X is equal to A. When that is taken towards the right side, it becomes A inverse, and A inverse is equal to adjoint A over A determinant. So first of all, we have to find the value of A determinant and then adjoint. This is A determinant, this is adjoint. Now A inverse A adjoint A over A determinant, adjoint, and now by applying this formula, x is equal to A inverse B by substituting the values of adjoint, determinant and B, and then ultimately by the rules of multiplication of matrices we have solved it, and then find the value of x and y, which are the angles of a triangle. So required angles are 49 degree, 49 y. So y is equal to 82 degree, and this x, these are two angles of an isosceles triangle. So these angles will be 49 and 49. So this is question number 4 of your book. Inshallah, we will study tomorrow exercise 2.4. Allah Hafiz.